Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacquemus. So this is going to be a luxury bag review of bags I picked up about 5-6 months ago that I wanted to give you guys an update on whether or not, I still like them, are they worth it or not. So let's get into it. So the first bag is from Jacquemus. So this is the bag, it's a white bag, looks just like this. This is the back. This is the front, this is the bottom. So this is the Le Grand Bambino bag from Jacquemus, and this was around $900 something. Yeah, it wasn't $1,000, so not too bad. It's a white bag. I really see this more as a summer bag due to the style, and I feel like Jacquemus is a whole lot more like spring and summertime. This is my first kind of like luxury bag that's white. I kind of wanted to go into it first with a bag that didn't cost too much, just to see how I handle white bags, because you have to be a little bit more careful when it comes to white bags. Nothing wrong with that, and white bags have this way of just adding a little pop to any outfit you have in the spring or summer. Overall, I do enjoy using this bag. I used it a lot during the summertime. I will say that it looks really good, with a lot of outfits, and the leather is pretty nice as well. It's not a leather that I feel like you have to be really careful about, but at the same time, don't scratch it up. This is a great bag to wear during the day and or during the night as well. I was able to wear it on both, occasions. As far as wear and tear, I will say this bag is holding up really great. I don't see any places where there's a lot of tear or things are coming out or pulling apart. This bag does come with a strap. It is inside as well. So you can wear it top handle, and you can also wear it as a crossbody bag. So that makes it a whole lot more versatile. Overall, would I recommend anyone buying this bag? I would definitely recommend it. I will even pick this up in different colors as well if you just don't want to have the hassle of having a white bag. But I see this bag as a great bag. It's a fun bag. It's a great bag to take on vacation with you. So I think that's a good opportunity. So definitely recommend this bag. I think the price overall isn't bad at all. And for the quality, it's for a luxury bag, this is a really good price. So this is the first bag I am reviewing, and it gets a thumbs up. All right, so let's get into the next bag I will be reviewing, and it is from Louis Vuitton. So this is the bag. Looks just like this in the front, side, the back, and then the bottom. So it comes just like this, and it comes with a lock as well, but I usually don't, put the lock on the bag. So this is the Louis Vuitton Vanity PM bag. So this is supposed to be a bag. It's not supposed to be like a toiletry bag or a travel, bag as well. So this is actually a bag. So this is their Vanity PM bag. So it has the reverse monogram on top, and then it has just regular monogram all around. And then on the bottom, it also has the reverse monogram as well. I will say this bag really holds a good amount because of the structure, and this bag isn't too hard either. It's a little bit soft because it is the Louis Vuitton canvas, so love that. And because it's the Louis Vuitton canvas, it's a neutral, it's kind of a bag you can wear with a lot of different outfits, and it just works. This bag also has some black trimming, so you can also add black into your outfit. This is a good bag to wear during the day and during the night. You can dress this up and you can dress this down, so that's a good thing about this bag. This bag also comes with a strap, so it doesn't just have to be a top handle, it can also be a crossbody as well. I will say Louis Vuitton material, when it comes to their canvas, it's very sturdy, it lasts, it's not something that you really have to worry about. It's not something that, you can be like, oh no, I have to hold this a certain way, or I can't put this there. It's very durable, so that's a great thing for this bag. This bag was over $2,000. It was close to $3,000, so that's the price of it. And you guys know when it comes to Louis Vuitton, their prices are kind of mixed. Some of their, canvas items are pretty low, and then some of their canvas items are higher. Overall, their leather products are a whole lot more, expensive compared to their canvas items. As far as wear and tear, I would say the wear and tear is great. Like I said, when it comes to Louis Vuitton, when it comes to their canvas, it's durable. You don't really have to worry about it. There aren't any scratches. There's no, issues with the bag at all. Will I say this bag is worth the price? I guess I'm gonna say yes. Yeah, it's like 2,000 something. I will say it is worth the price. I think just going into the detail of the bag and everything that goes with it, I will say it's worth it. But I'm speaking in terms of luxury products, okay? Luxury products, not everyday products. So I feel like there's a different way, to look at bags that are, you know, designer. So I'm gonna say I think it is worth it, and it is definitely a bag that, you know, is timeless. I think this is a timeless bag compared to the first bag from Jacquemus. I feel like that bag essentially, I don't think it's timeless, but I definitely think this bag is timeless. So this bag also gets a thumbs up for me. Okay, let's get into our next bag, and this bag is from Fendi. So this is the front of the bag. It just says Fendi. This is the back, bottom, and then inside is like, you know, a big hole. It also comes with a strap too, so like the other bags, this can be a top handle bag, and it also can be a cross body bag as well. So this bag I picked up because I wanted a bag for winter and fall. Yes, winter and fall. So that is what I had in mind for this bag, and I wanted something that was a little bit dainty and not overall too, like, you know, structured, that I wouldn't have to care about. I feel like this is a very carefree bag. For the most part, I can dress this bag up and dress this bag down, and I always like to look for that when I buy luxury bags. So this bag comes in a lot of different, like, you know, materials and colors. So if this isn't your cup of tea, you'll be able to find whatever color or material suits you. This is a bag that I will say be a little bit cautious to make sure you don't scratch the bag. I feel like this is a bag that you just want to make sure your nails don't get on it, and, like, you know, just overall be a little bit careful with this bag. This bag was under $2,000, so it's not too pricey in terms of price. In terms of cost, it's not too pricey. This bag, for wear and tear, it doesn't really have, like, you know, too much stitching on it, so it's kind of like, you know, a bag that's gonna be easy with the wear and tear. I do not have anything like marks on it or any issues like that at all whatsoever. So yeah. This is a bucket style bag, so it doesn't have like a zip or like buttons or anything like that. So you have to like use the drawstring in order to close it. So if you're someone who gets a little, like, you know, nervous about bags not having zippers or like a cover or whatever, then, you know, maybe don't go towards this bag, because, you know, throughout the days or whatever I wear it, I do have to just make sure it's fastened, and I don't have any issues with that. This bag can hold a lot, but keep in mind, the more you put in it, it's not going to be as easy to, like, you know, fully close it as much, and it's going to weigh it down. So you don't want this bag to be like weighed down. I see this bag more as a dainty bag, so that's why I'm kind of like, you know, don't fill it up to the brim. Would I recommend this bag? Yes, I would recommend buying this bag. This is a great bag. With the price point being less than $2,000, I don't think it's too, like, you know, too bad. So I would definitely recommend this bag, but like I said, just make sure you're, you know, cautious to make sure there aren't any like scratches or anything, because this is very smooth. So this bag gets a thumbs up from me as well for my review. Alright, so that is it for my review. So these are like my 6-month, 5-month reviews of these bags. I just wanted to give you guys an update and let you guys know whether or not I still enjoy these bags, whether I'm going to keep them, whether they get a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Overall, all these bags have gotten a thumbs up for me, so I definitely recommend getting them. So if you have these bags, let me know down in the comment if you like them still, or, you know, you have some issues with them. I would be really happy to hear some feedback. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If this is your first time watching, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and come back for more videos, and also please make sure to hit the like button as well. Bye.